Okay, so have you learned about algebraic identities? Yes, children?
Yeah, ma'am.
Great. So let me take a test of your algebraic identities now. A small test of algebraic identities. And you have to do it honestly. Okay? Don't think that ma'am is not looking at us, so I can just note down from the book. So that will be, you'll be cheating yourself. Don't do that. Okay? Don't cheat yourself. Okay, so I'll take a small test. You have to complete the expansion of these identities.
Ma'am, should we post this all in the chat?
Yes, say loudly.
Ma'am, should we post all the answers in the chat?
No need to post on the chat because everyone, if they post on the chat, will be, it's a long thing. You just keep it to yourself, okay? But honestly, do the test. Okay, I could have posted this in the test also. You have a Sunday test today, weekly test today. I could have done that there also. Okay, but I did not do that in the test. I've given you some other things. So we do it honestly. Okay, check yourself. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
just check yourself whether you can do it just by without looking at anywhere. Do it. Everyone, please keep your videos on. Children, keep your videos on. Harshit, keep
Ma'am,
your
I'm only
videos
not
on.
getting the fifth one. I got all the others. Just the fifth one, I'm a bit confused.
Okay, that's a test now. I cannot say. Others are also doing. We'll discuss it afterwards. Okay, let everyone do first. Sampath, keep your video on. Harshit. Yes, welcome Jitendra.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, do this test of identities. Do it honestly. Nobody will look into the book. Okay, be honest to yourself. Yukta, keep your video on. So Sampath, are you able to hear me? Sampath, are you able to hear? You have a problem in your mic and camera. Okay. Please get your system checked, okay? Get it checked, your mic and camera. Okay, are all done with these identities? Have all written?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask each one of you one by one. Okay. Jitendra, you tell me this identity, seventh one.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me. Jitendra, tell me the seventh identity.
X cube minus y cube
Yes,
minus 3xy into x plus y.
into x minus y. Okay, not plus y, x minus y. Okay, Jitendra.
Okay, ma'am.
Rohit, you tell me the fifth identity. You were saying you
Yes,
could not.
ma'am, it will be x plus y plus z
Uh,
into x square plus y square
yes,
plus z square minus 3xy minus yz minus z.
minus 3xy.
No, ma'am, minus xy
Uh,
minus yz minus z.
good, very nice. Okay, Harshit, you tell me this identity x plus y plus z whole square.
Ma'am, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2xy plus 2yz plus 2zx.
Very nice. Very nice. So Sampath's mic is not working. Sampath cannot
Ma'am,
have.
can I keep my camera off? I'm leaving the class by mistake.
What happened?
Ma'am, there is a bad network issue here.
So you're leaving the class.
No, ma'am, by mistake I am leaving the class, so can I keep my camera off?
Okay. 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 Who else is there? Yukta, are you there? Yukta is not here. Jitendra, tell me this identity. X plus y whole cube.
Yes, ma'am. X cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y.
Yes. Okay. Rohit, you tell me this identity.
Ma'am, the second one,
Third one.
ma'am, it will be x minus y and x minus y into x plus y.
Okay. Harshit, tell me the second identity. Harshit, your mic is working, no? Tell me the second identity.
Oh, okay, ma'am. It's x square plus a plus b into x plus ab.
Very good. Okay, who else is there now? Let me check who has not got the turn. Sampath's mic is not working. Okay, Jitendra, you tell me now.
Yes,
Jitendra,
ma'am.
tell me the first
X square
identity.
plus y square plus 2xy.
Okay, good. So keep revising these identities, okay? Don't just say that today's test was taken, I answered all, so that means I'm thorough with it. Keep revising. Although you are thorough with every identity, but you must keep on revising. Okay? As and whenever you get time, just go through it. Okay. So we had done till question number 6, I guess. Yes, I had given you homework till question number 6. Right? So let's start from question number 7 now. Evaluate the following using suitable identities. Now using the best suitable identity, you have to evaluate this. Evaluate means you have to find the value of this. Now see, this is 99. How can you write 19? We had done similar type of
Ma'am,
question.
90 plus 9.
No, you can
Ma'am,
write
sorry, 33 square.
see 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole cube. Can we write it like this? It will be in the form of a minus b whole cube. Okay? A is 100 here and b is 1 here. So when you expand this identity, a minus b the whole cube, which is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. Is it? It's this. So when you have 100 minus 1 the whole cube, it gives you, in place wherever you have 100, wherever you have a, you write 100 in that place. Wherever you have b, write 1. Because a is 100, b is 1. And just do the calculations. Okay? Do the calculation now. And get your answer. Similarly, you can do for 102 cube also. Okay? This I will not do. Similarly, you can do for 998 cube also. Okay? So 100 cube can be written as 100 plus 2 cube. So that is in the form of some identity. And this can also be written as 1000 minus 2 the whole cube. Okay? You can use the suitable identity and do the expansion and then get your final answer. Yes, children, done? Okay, Rohit, you tell me the answer for the first one. 99 cube.
Ma'am, I'm getting the subtraction wrong. Can I get 2 minutes? I'm
Which
just,
one
yes, ma'am.
which one are you doing?
Ma'am, the first one, I
Oh.
got 10 lakhs minus 287 minus
Okay, tell me
300.
the fine. Tell me the fine. Do it, then tell me the final answer.
Yes, ma'am.
And what about others? Has anyone else done? Hello? What about others? Jitendra, Sampath, Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
have you done? Give your answers. Okay, check your answers if you are getting the same. I'm just writing the answers here. Please check if you are getting the same answer. Then we should move on to next question. Okay. Okay, now see the next question, number 8, factorize. You can do the above questions and check your answers. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, look here. This question is factorized now. 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square. So what is it looking like? Which identity is it looking like?
Ma'am, x plus y cube.
So see, if I write this as 2a cube like this, and this is b cube, and this I can write it as 2 into 2a into b. Okay. No, sorry, this is 3ab into 3a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. So this is looking like that identity. A plus b the whole cube. Is it? Yes, children? Hello? Is it looking like this identity?
Yes, ma'am.
Are the terms
Yeah.
similar? A
Yes, ma'am.
cube plus b cube. And when we open the bracket, see we had 3ab into a plus b. So when we open the bracket, that becomes 3a square b plus 3ab square. Isn't that? This part, ये वाला जो part था, इसमें ऐसे वाला, When we open this bracket, what happens? This becomes a square b plus 3ab square. Okay. So this term was a square b and this term was ab square. Isn't that? So this identity follows here. And with this, we can say now the left-hand side of the identity is given. The right side of the identity is given to us in this form. Okay, so we have to show with this identity that the right side is this. Okay, so that means this left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side. You got it? Yes, you understood, children? Hello? Say yes or no. Have you all
Yes.
understood this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then I'll
Yes.
show you another one. Showing you the fifth part of this. Okay, question number 8. There are 5, 6 parts here. So I'm showing you the fifth part. That is 27 p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 by 2 p square. Now this is a square term here. Plus 1 by 4 p. Okay. So just by looking at this expression, what can you observe? With which identity is this similar to?
Yes, ma'am.
I have this cube term and I can write this also in cubes. I can write 27p as like this. It becomes 27p cube. Okay. And 216 can also be written as 1 by 6 cube. Okay. Then I have 3a square b. So that's 3a square is a is 3p. So that's 3p square. And this is 1 by 6. 3a square b minus 3ab square. So a is 3p and b square is 1 by 6 whole square. Can I write it like this, children? So which identity follows here? Here we can see the cube terms have.
Ma'am, but then what will happen to 1 by 4p?
Yes, we'll do it up.
Ma'am, 1 by 4p is still there, right?
See, this is 9 by 6, no?
Yes,
9
ma'am.
by 36. This 1 by 4 is this term only, no? This becomes
Yes,
9p and this becomes 1 by 36. So 9 ones are and 9 fours are is 36. So you get 1 by 4p. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this identity follows here. That is always see whenever we are doing the sum, please do write the identities. That which identity follows here. So that must be written. There are marks for writing the identity. In your exam, in your school exam, in your board exams, wherever you write, you get this question, these kind of questions. Wherever some identity is followed, some formula is followed. So you have to mention that formula or that identity in this, highlight, you have to highlight it. Okay? So that it's eye-catching. Okay? Quickly, it should catch the eye of the teacher who's correcting the paper. Are you getting? Are you understanding? So which identity follows here is a minus b the whole cube. That is a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b into a minus b. So here a is 3p and b is 1 by 6. So we can write it like this. 3p minus 1 by 6 the whole cube. Okay? Yes, children? Yes, class 9 children.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Say
Yes, ma'am.
yes, no. Okay, only Rohit says yes, no, nobody else. Nobody else is saying. What about Jitendra? What about Harshit, Sampath?
Yes, ma'am.
All are sitting quietly. You need so much of efforts to speak up, to say yes, even. Now see, question number 9 is verify. Now what you have to verify in this? Verify means something that is already given to you. You just have to prove it. Verify. Verify means just to check whether it is correct or not.
Yes, ma'am.
So verify x cube plus y cube. Please listen it very carefully. This question is itself an identity. Okay. Plus y square. See this question, this is a question given to you, you have to verify. But this question itself is an identity. So in your list of identities, please mention this identity also. Okay. In your list of 8 identities, please add this identity also. Okay. And now we'll see from where do you get this identity. So please pay attention. Okay. So this identity is derived from the above identity which you have already studied, that is x plus y the whole cube is equal to x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y. Okay, this was the identity that you have already studied. Now what do I do in this case? See, I have this x cube plus y cube here. So I will leave this x cube plus y cube here only, in the right hand side only, because here also I can see x cube plus y cube is on one side of equal to sign. And the remaining parts, I will take it on the other side, like this. Okay. So this becomes x plus y the whole cube. And when this part goes on the other side, it becomes minus 3xy into x plus y. And towards the right side, I'm just left with x cube plus y cube. Is it? Yes? Understood till here, children? Okay, class 9 children, please say yes, no.
Ma'am, can you once explain again?
Yes.
Yes?
Ma'am, can you explain it once more?
Yes. Okay, see, I'm saying this is the identity. This is the question that is given to you. You just have to verify it. Now, how will you verify this? To
Ma'am,
verify
do we have to transpose them to the other sides?
So to verify this, we take the help of the identity which we have already done, x plus y the whole cube, this identity. So here I can see this x cube plus y cube term here, isn't it? It's here, this term. So what I see, I want this x cube plus y cube equals to something. Now how do I find this something? I will take the remaining part towards the other side. Okay. When it goes on the other side of equal to sign, here it was plus. When it goes on the other side, it becomes minus now. Right? It becomes minus. You understood till here? Okay. Now I can see that I have x plus y term here and I have x plus y term here also. In the left side, I have x plus y term which is common. So I will take out x plus y common outside. And inside I am left with x plus y square. This was cube. When I took out 1, now 2 is left inside. Okay, x square is left inside. And this is minus 3xy. And your right hand side is, you will just write as it is. Okay, so keeping the x plus y term as it is, now we solve inside the bracket part. Now x plus y the whole square, we can split it as per the identity. That becomes x square plus y square plus 2xy. Is this the identity which follows here? X plus a plus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, this follows here. And along with this, I have minus 3xy here. So that I will write as it is. Right? And the right side will be written as it is. I will not touch anything here. So now I can see this x plus y is here like that. Now x inside I am left with x square plus y square. And now this is 2xy minus 3xy. So 2 minus 3 is minus 1xy. So minus 1xy can be written as like this. Okay. And right hand side the same. Now can you see this is the same what we were asked to verify? Yes? We have got the same thing what we were asked to
Yes, ma'am.
verify. Is it? So you understood, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. So Rohit has understood. What about Jitendra, Harshit,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Harshit,
Yeah, ma'am, understood.
Sampath, Sampath, Sampath? Okay, Sampath's mic is not working. Sampath, you can write down in the chat box. And Afan, it's Muhammad Afan,
Rayan.
Rayan. Yesterday also there was a child.
No, that's my little brother.
Okay, that's your brother. Okay, so Rayan, is it clear to you now? Please put on
Yes.
video. Let me see you. Okay, so you are Afan's brother. And you must
Yes.
keep your video on while the class is going on, right? Others also, please put your videos on. Sampath's video is not working, camera is not working, that's okay. But if it is working, then you have to keep it on throughout the class. Okay, Rayan? Okay, Rayan?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. Okay, so all have understood this. So on similar lines, we'll see the next one. And the next part of this question number, same question, the second part we have. This is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. So now this we have to verify. This itself is an identity. So please add it in your list of 8 identities. Okay. Whatever the list of 8 identities I had given you in the very beginning. Okay. You add this also to it. Okay. The previous one also and this one also. So now your list of identity has 10 identities. Okay. 8 were there earlier. Now you have got 2 more identities. Okay, so you must learn this identity also. Now from where did we get this? We have got this identity from the previously done identity, that is x minus y the whole cube. We will derive this a new identity from this old one. Okay, so x minus y the whole cube can be expanded as x cube minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. You can write it like this. This everyone knows. Everyone knows this.
Yes.
Okay. So here also what do? See, we are interested in finding this part. I can see x cube minus y cube here, and I can see x cube minus y cube here also. So I'm interested in finding this part. So I will leave this part here without touching. Okay, and the remaining part I will move to the other side. So I have my left side here, x minus y the whole cube. And this term which is here, I will take it to the other side of equal to sign as I did in the previous question. Okay, the same process. So this is 3xy into x minus y, which gives me x cube minus y cube, which I have just left it here. Okay, I took this on the other side, and on the right side, I'm just left with this. Okay, now I will not touch the right side. Oh, okay, I will not touch the right side. Now I'll just do my calculation on the left side. So now I can see I have x minus y, the whole cube here, and I can see x minus y here also. So that means x minus y is common in both these terms. So what I'll do, I will take one x minus y term outside. So when I take it outside, inside I'm left with square here. I have taken one out, no? Out of 3, I have taken out 1. So 2 are left inside. Then I have 3xy left here. Okay, this part I have taken it out. So I'm just left with 3xy there. And right side is like this. I will not touch it. I'll just keep it like this safely. Okay. Now x minus y is again just taking as it is. Now we open this bracket, x minus y the whole square. Now x minus y the whole square can be opened with the previously learned identity, that is a minus b the whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Is it? Yes, children? So this becomes x square plus y square minus 2xy and 3xy as it is. Okay, I just take it down as it is. And the right side is just taken down. Then what I am left with here, x square plus y square. And now these are two like terms. These are similar kind of terms, no, with xy variable. So 3xy minus 2xy gives me 1xy. Okay, 3 minus 2xy gives me 1xy. That means 1xy can be written like this, which is equal to x cube minus y cube. So see now, finally we have got this thing which we were asked to find out, which we were asked to verify. Got it? Yes, children? Please go through it. If anyone has a doubt here, can ask. Yes, Rayan?
No.
No doubt, absolutely clear.
Yes.
Great. Harshit? Harshit, what about you? Yes, Harshit, Jitendra? Harshit, Jitendra? No answers from you? Okay, then I'm moving ahead. What's the time? Okay, your class time is over, Bachi. Okay, children, see you in the next class, right? Okay. So
Thank
please
you, ma'am.
practice this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, see you in the next class. Please practice this. And you have your Sunday test. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So better try to do your Sunday test today only. Okay, it's your wish when to do. The test is live for 24 hours. But
Yes,
I
ma'am.
suggest you to do it today. Why to wait for the last minute? Because sometimes you have some power cuts or some other issues by which you are not able to do. So it's better do it timely. Okay, and you should have
Yes,
some
ma'am.
time margin also. Okay, Bachchan, thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.